Are you struggling to get money from your PayPal account to cash in? And in this video, I'll be showing you to step by step how you can achieve just that. So you want to head over to sendana.com. The link will be in the description of this video. Here I'm just going to select create an account, select login or sign up. Here you can provide your email address or you can use your Google account. I'll be using my Google account. Here I'm just going to select continue. Now I am successfully logged in. Now to create your US account, go ahead and select virtual US account. Complete the verification, select accept, begin the process to verify your account. So here you need to provide some basic information, a government ID, and then a selfie of yourself. So I'm going to be completing the basic information. What country do you currently live? Select what best apply. Complete your personal information and then select continue. Next step, provide your government ID. Select your ID type from the list. So here, if you're using your laptop and you want to use your cell phone to take the picture, you can go ahead and select continue on other device. Scan the QR code with the phone that you want to use to continue with. Once you take the picture on your phone, it will be saying verifying ID, and then once your government ID is verified, you can go ahead and select continue on this device. Again, that's if you're using the laptop. Then go ahead and select selfie. So again, you can continue on other device or you can use your laptop to proceed if you have a good camera. Now once your verification is complete, you'll see 3 ticks on your phone. So just go ahead and select continue on device. So here I'm just going to continue again. Go ahead and select next. Here I'm going to select continue. Here you need to provide the source of funds. Select what best applies. I'm just going to say savings. Select what best apply to you in terms of your occupation. And then select your employment status. Then go ahead and select continue. What is the expected primary usage of your account? So let's say you receive payment for freelancing. How much do you expect to send and receive each month in terms of US? Select what best applies to you. Are you receiving or sending funds on behalf of someone other than yourself? Select what best applies. In my case, I'm just receiving funds for myself. Then go ahead and select submit. Here, select done to continue. Once you're done, your application will be submitted to be verified. Then you're going to be looking out for an email from them. So I just received the email that my Sendana account is approved, and that took about 5 minutes. Let's go back to the account. I'm still not signed out, so probably less than 5 minutes. So once I go back to the option that says virtual US account, I now have the option to create my US account. So just go ahead and select create US account in your case. So this is your account details. Note, it's important to note that only send USD to this account. Funds will be automatically converted to USDC and deposited to your wallet. Processing may take 1 to 3 business days. Now, this is the easiest option available for you to get a US bank account other than Payoneer. Now, once you have your US account, you should be able to link it to PayPal, right? So head over to PayPal. Then once you're in your PayPal account, you're going to look for link card or bank, or you can just go to wallet and then select link card or bank. So you're going to select link bank account. Now you won't get the option to choose your bank from the list, so what you're going to do is search for Sendana. Note, it's not in the list, so what you're going to do is select link bank manually. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to scroll down and select link a US bank account instead, but you should have the US bank account by default. And so you select check-in. So I'm going to provide the account number. Now I'm going to get the routing number. Then go ahead and select agree and link. Here, if you have a phone number link, select get text. So from here, what PayPal is going to do is that they're going to make 2 small deposits to your account. Once those deposits are made, you can go ahead and log in back to your PayPal and provide the deposits here. So I've received the deposits and now it's time to verify my account. So the 2 small deposits are a cent each. So let's go over back to PayPal and then you're gonna select confirm bank 0.01, 0.01, and then go ahead and select confirm. And this is how easy it is when compared to other virtual banks like Payoneer, which you have to be jumping around a lot of hoops to get done. Now, once you have successfully linked your bank account, you can go ahead and withdraw to your bank account. So I'm going to select PayPal balance, transfer money, then select transfer to your bank. So in minutes, you can get it for a percentage or 1 to 3 days. Now this option requires that you have a debit card, right? So we don't have one at the moment, so we're going to select no fee, 1 to 3 days, and it will be converted to USD, right? So select transfer USD now, select done, and that's it for the PayPal part to withdraw into your Sendana bank account. Now once the money is available within your Sendana balance, what you can do is go ahead and select withdraw, and then option that is available to you right now is withdraw to MoneyGram. So once you withdraw, you can go to any MoneyGram and pick up your money. Now there's a better option that is coming soon, which is the ability to transfer money to a Visa or MasterCard. This will allow the money to hit your bank account instantly, right? And note the difference in fees. For MoneyGram, it's $1 plus 1%, and for send to bank card, it's $2.50 and 1.5%. So this is the easiest and most convenient way to get money from your PayPal account to Jamaica in your hands. So that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.